Today is our first day here in Portland with our Cheyenne and Arapaho Youth Council. Gave them a little free time. I know a lot of them may not ever get the opportunity to come out here, so we took the hour-and-a-half drive out here to Cannon Beach to let them experience the beach, the ocean.
I think it's really good. Like, our Native youth need to explore and go to different states and see how other youth councils, like how they get involved in their communities and better their communities.
I think that everybody should join the Cheyenne and Arapaho Youth Council because it gives you opportunities to go to places like these and meet new people and just explore places that you've never been to, you know? So yeah, I think everybody should join Youth Council.
Long before this was Portland, the Multnomah, Clackamas, and Chinook people inhabited this land. They were relocated ultimately to the Grand Ronde Reservation. On behalf of our ancestors, we welcome you to our homelands. Haimasi.
Honored to have you all here as we bring back the Unity Fire to start out our conference in a good way. Who would have imagined over 2,700 Native youth and advisors here in the Pacific Northwest?
Respect each other, lift each other up, speak well to yourself. Don't let words of doubt hurt yourself. Lift yourself up and be present so you can enjoy this conference because it is here for you to enjoy. Stay strong, carry your good heart, and we will be here with you.
Man, we're in beautiful Portland, Oregon. 2,990 registered Native youth from all across the country, all over Turtle Island, to come together here and celebrate our 48th annual Unity Conference. So, very grateful.
You'll also notice that when you click on Auntie Amanda, now the first question that pops up is, hello relatives. I wanted to take this moment and acknowledge.
Unity is actually the acronym for Uniting National Indian Tribal Youth, but it's a conference that Native youth from all over the country kind of hang out for the week, learn leadership roles, learn different things that just help them to become successful adults.
Unity Drum, please bring in our presidents, please bring in our royalty, please bring in our regions, please bring in our youth councils from across.
Unity is all about networking, all Native youth across the United States. They all come together right here. They get to learn about each other. They get to learn about leadership and how to become a leader in their community, being better sons and daughters and athletes.
It's our biggest conference yet, and we just can't wait to...
Unity is an organization where we want to bring all Native youth from all across the country to encourage, inspire, lead, develop, role model, mentor. This is an organization we come together on and we stand on business as Native youth. So we have cultural night, we have like a regional event, we have entertainment night. So just a night for all of us to celebrate our talents, our culture, and the most important thing, to celebrate togetherness.
We're at Unity, Portland, Oregon, and there's a lot of people here. It's the biggest one they've ever had yet.
It's really nice and cool. It's chill. It's like learning more about our culture and stuff. It's really fun. I get to meet tons of new people from different tribes that I didn't even know. I only just know the tribes from Oklahoma, but it's like all around the country.
It's been great so far, meeting so many other people, seeing all the way they show their culture, all their regalia is so different, and it's so beautiful here. As Oregon, it's beautiful here, and I'm blessed to be here.
I think it's really fun. I already met someone from my other tribe, the Yupik Eskimo, and she was really cool.
We was really lucky to get to come up here. I'm really thankful for the tribe bringing us up here, and we got to learn new stuff, meet lots of new people, and just do a bunch of fun things.
I participated in the fashion show today. We showed off our ribbon skirts and shirts, and we also did the potato dance and snake dance and buffalo dance.
The workshops I've attended was two. One of them really stuck out was the medicine wheel one, where we got to learn spirituality, emotional, physical, and spiritual.
I didn't even know of like the dances that we did, but I get to learn them, and I like to show my dad and family about them, like tell them about it. So, yeah.
Learning more about other people's culture, and I really want to teach our culture and show everyone our own culture here too.
Learn to forgive yourself and others.
Connect more with your culture.
I'm just really happy to be here and be a part of our youth council.
When you have opportunities like this to come, take them.
We're the dancers of the place where the sun shines first. We're named after a village that was burnt down in Douglas Island in Juneau, Alaska. And we dance honoring the people of Onachikaudiganya.
We're here with the Cheyenne and Arapaho Youth Council. Today we'll be demonstrating the buffalo dance and the snake dance. We'll be starting with the snake dance and then transitioning into the buffalo dance. After those two social dances, we will be doing the potato dance. You all are more than welcome to come join us.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
What's up, guys? Today we have Benson State Replication Area. Here's Multnomah Falls. Whenever you hear it stop scratching on the glass and stuff, that's how you know it's good. Ew.
Man, I see it even with our young people in our youth council. A lot of them are, like you said, some of them haven't ever left the res or haven't even left their own communities or even the state of Oklahoma. So this is huge for a lot of them. Like yesterday we're here in Portland, Oregon, but yesterday we drove for lunch into the state of Washington, which is just like, 10 minutes away. So that was a big deal to them. I mean, just seeing them, seeing the looks on their faces as as they experience new things, get to see the world, because there's a whole world out there, and I think it's amazing whenever you see it in a kid's eyes or a young person's eyes that they get to experience something new, learn something new, and then, like I said, hopefully take that back home. And even in their own homes, man, make a difference in their own lives, their own homes, which then grows to our communities and our tribe,
So I'm very, very excited to announce our place winners for Unity's 3-on-3 tournament. 2024, 14 to 17, first place winners. CNA Hoops, CNA Hoop.
Our kids need to see the world and see all of Indian world. Sometimes they're like, oh, I didn't know that was just our tribe out there, and they get to learn that there's all these other tribes and all these nations, and they get to learn their culture and their heritage and look and see them. Like last night at the jam last night, I mean, that was awesome. They got to see that, they got to hear it, they got to learn it. They asked about some of their feather work that they had, and they was interested in all of that, and they was like, wow, man, this is a whole nother group of people that, get to observe and get to see what they do and how they do their ways.
We gotta keep the traditions up and rising. As I found out about this like 2-3 years ago, and coming here for the first time, it's my first time in Unity, it really stuck with me and made me get more into my culture as Cheyenne and Arapaho, and made me start learning my language more, got me making lots of more friends who are also in my tribe, and get to really connect with people that
have the same face as you.
These guys are going to be the future tribal leaders. You know, they're the ones that are here and now and present that are going to be making changes. And I think we're teaching them here today at this conference, like, how to have that voice.
Ladies and gentlemen, Norma Baker Flying Horse and Red Berry Woman. Man, just stay with it, man. I'm gonna tell you something. You know, we need you, and you were put on this earth to do some amazing, powerful things. You know, not only in Indian country, but for the human race. You come from a beautiful people. We have ancestors, we have loved ones that are looking down and just are grateful for us and proud of our movement. So stay with it. Don't let up, don't give up. And just always remember, people around you, man, they may not see your efforts, but God is collecting them. Let's go, turn it up.
Unity 2024!